Okay, I want to show you this adorable Montessori style house floor bed because we've been using it as a safe play and rest space. And honestly, I love how functional it is. This is a twin size frame, so it gives a lot more room than a traditional baby setup, which is perfect for tummy time, rolling, or just letting babies move around freely. You can see she has space for toys, books, and still plenty of space to play. I really like that it sits low to the floor so it feels secure and makes it easy for little ones to grow into independence as they get older. The gated sides add extra peace of mind while still allowing airflow and visibility. The wood frame feels sturdy and smooth, and assembly was actually pretty straightforward. If you are looking for something that works as both a safe sleep space and a play area, especially if you like Montessori inspired setups, this has been a really cute and practical option. Shop this product. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comments.